Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy knife. This is a toy knife guys. This is a silver color and black color combination toy knife. Okay. Wow! This is the plastic type toy knife. Okay. That's it. This is nice. Good. Woo! Then guys, I can show you this toy rifle. Okay. See the toy rifle. This toy rifle is sky blue color and pink color some area there. Okay. Nothing but so much. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Then guys, I assemble it by these batteries.
Oh yeah.
Assemble it by these batteries. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Then guys, I close the door and I assemble it by this extended. Okay, this is also a sky blue color extended. So guys, now it's the proper toy rifle. Okay. Wow! See? And guys, how it's work. Nice. Then guys, can show you this toy pistol. This is a black color toy pistol guys. See? Plastic body. Okay guys. Nice. This is nice. Not bad. Not good at all. Okay. Wow! Then guys, I can show you this real razor light. Guys, this is the real razor light. This is not toy. Okay. This is totally black and this is steel body. Oops. Wow! Okay guys, see? This is nice. And how it's work guys. Woo! See guys, how it's work. Work. Nice guys, see? Wow, amazing. Then guys.
Oh yeah.
Ta-da! Woo! This rifle. This is the rifle. Okay guys, this is black and red color combination rifle. Okay, amazing. Woo! This rifle has the extend. This is black color. Assemble it, and then guys, it's also has
Oh
red
yeah.
color some extra thing. And guys, I assemble it properly guys. I can assemble. And how it's work guys, first of all, turn, shoot, another time guys, turn and shoot. So thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye guys.